Are you wasting your time learning skills that won't matter in 2025? The world is changing faster than ever, and millions of people are unknowingly focusing on outdated skills. In this video, I'll reveal 7 popular skills that are rapidly losing value, and what you should be learning instead. Let's dive in. 1. Basic video editing. First on the list, basic video editing. You might think this is a safe skill for the future, but with AI tools like Adobe Sensei and Runway ML, even beginners can create professional edits in minutes. Imagine spending hours cutting clips and syncing audio when AI can do it instantly. Instead of focusing on basic editing, shift your attention to storytelling, advanced color grading, or creating unique visual effects. Things AI can't replicate as effectively.
Innovation of things like OpenAI, ChatGPT, overall robots taking over the world.
Which has taken the world by storm. Why do you think it's captured people's imagination?
I think people really have fun with it, and they see the possibility and they see the ways this can help them, this can inspire them.
You think that video editors are at stake, and will we lose all video editing jobs because AI will replace video editors? Yes.
The truth is, learning basic video editing skills won't be beneficial anymore because AI will soon replace it. Instead, focus on mastering advanced video editing skills, something AI can't fully replicate. So, as 2025 approaches, if you're still stuck with the basics, make an effort to level up and aim for more advanced techniques. 2. Drag and drop graphic design. Next, drag and drop graphic design using tools like Canva. Sure, Canva is convenient, but AI-powered tools like Midjourney and DALL-E are already creating custom professional designs in seconds. Why rely on templates that everyone else is using? If you want to stay ahead, learn branding strategy, UI and UX design, or even animation, fields that require a human touch.
If AI is able to completely replace one key job or industry, it has the potential to replace all jobs in industry.
The most concerning thing is those who call themselves graphic designers just by dragging and dropping in Canva. If they don't work on developing their skills, they won't survive in the market for long. Especially now, with tools like Midjourney and AI advancing rapidly, Canva-based designers will struggle to stay relevant. If you want to sustain yourself in the market, focus on skill development and move beyond the basics.
It's interesting to think that even computers replaced a lot of designers and creative professionals if they didn't use them as part of their new process. We're in the era of neo-Luddites, which is completely understandable. We don't want machines to take over, replace our jobs, and make art, design and music into something that it's not. Humans have passion for creativity. One of the hallmarks of humans is the ability to think outside of the box and solve problems in a creative way. To replace all jobs and industries with artificial intelligence is nerve-wracking. It's scary.
3. Manual social media management. If you're still scheduling posts and tracking analytics by hand, you're falling behind. Tools like Hootsuite and ChatGPT can automate these tasks effortlessly. Instead, focus on creating engaging short-form content for platforms like TikTok or Instagram Reels. The key is creativity, not repetitive tasks. 4. Basic copywriting. Writing simple ad copy or emails is becoming irrelevant, thanks to AI tools like Jasper and ChatGPT. These tools can produce high-quality marketing material faster and cheaper than most humans.
GPT is an AI-powered chatbot whose answers honestly feel human.
ChatGPT is indeed extremely helpful for humans, playing a significant role in various areas, big and small. In this digital world, those who remain unaware of ChatGPT are likely to face significant challenges.
The very feature that makes it seem almost magical also poses a colossal problem, because we don't really know where its answers are coming from.
5. Coding in popular languages. Coding in popular languages like Python, Java, or HTML. While coding remains important, AI tools like GitHub Copilot are automating many basic coding tasks. Instead of spending months learning generic programming, focus on system design, AI and machine learning, or integrating AI tools into workflows. These areas will be far more valuable in the future.
I think everybody in this country should learn how to program a computer. Should learn a computer language because it teaches you how to think. It's like going to law school.
So, you can understand how important coding is as a skill. Most of the top billionaires, such as Bill Gates, Mark Zuckerberg, Steve Jobs, and others, have achieved great success because of their strong knowledge of coding. It's their expertise in this field that has helped them reach such remarkable heights. 6. Data entry and basic Excel skills. If you're spending hours cleaning data or crunching numbers, you're already behind. Automation tools like robotic process automation and OpenAI Codex are replacing these tasks completely. Instead, invest your time in learning data analysis and visualization tools like Tableau or Power BI. These skills are in demand and offer more value than manual tasks. You all know how impactful AI has become. Previously, those who mastered Microsoft Excel thought they had a stronghold, but now they are at a disadvantage if they don't advance their skills. AI has already taken over Excel-related tasks, making it essential for professionals in this sector to evolve with AI. The same goes for those in data entry. Without adapting, they face the same fate. To thrive in the digital world, everyone must focus on becoming AI experts. Only then can they stay ahead and secure their place in the industry. 7. Traditional photography. With tools like Adobe's generative fill and computational photography, many aspects of traditional photography are becoming obsolete. Instead of just taking pictures, focus on photo manipulation, creative storytelling, or cinematography, skills that require your unique perspective and creativity. With the rise of AI tools like Adobe's generative fill and advancements in computational photography, the landscape of photography is evolving rapidly. The demand isn't just for someone who can capture a shot anymore. It's for those who can transform images into captivating visual narratives. Instead of sticking to conventional photography techniques, explore areas like advanced photo manipulation, dynamic storytelling, or the art of cinematography. These creative skills will set you apart in a world where technology handles the basics. Today, I've shared skills with you that you should focus on mastering this year, because these skills will be the most helpful and valuable in the future. If you can advance in even one of these skills, you'll never have to look back. So, start now. If you don't know where to begin, just take the first step today. Remember, no one can teach you everything. You have to take the initiative to learn and grow on your own. You've got this. The skills that worked a few years ago won't guarantee success in 2025. If you're still relying on outdated methods, now is the time to pivot. Focus on skills that combine human creativity with emerging technologies, and you'll stay ahead of the curve. Which of these skills are you learning right now? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who needs to hear this.